Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can join someone on Roblox without being friends. So this actually works. Here's what we have to do. We have to go to Google and first search for restore old Roblox server list. Just Google search for this and open up the first link here, the Chrome Web Store. Now we want to install this extension, so just select add to Chrome here and then add extension. Okay, so after we have added this extension to Chrome, we can go back to Roblox and just refresh. Now I'm going to change my settings here to desktop. Okay, so if you have successfully installed this extension, then if we click on the puzzle piece here, you will be able to see restore old Roblox server list. So for example, let's say you want to join a YouTuber or streamer, somebody on Roblox that is playing a specific game, and you can see what game they're playing. So just as an example, I will use this person. I'm going to click on their name, but like I said, all you have to do is you have to know the person's name. So I'm going to copy their name here. So like I said, if you're copying a YouTuber or trying to join a YouTuber, you know their Roblox name. So just copy their Roblox name, click on the puzzle piece, and then select restore old Roblox server. Now here we want to toggle auto search on. Servers per page, we can leave it like this, and the player username here. So just copy the Roblox person's username and we want to paste their username right here like so. So like I said, if it is a YouTuber or somebody, all we have to do is know their Roblox username, paste it here, close it, click on the puzzle piece, click on restore old Roblox server here just to confirm that it's saved. And now what we have to do is actually go to the specific game that they're playing. So I'm just gonna search for Sonic here. Like I said, if you're viewing a YouTuber and if you know what game they're playing, you will just go to the specific experience here, and then we'll go into the servers tab, and here it's automatically going to detect the person which we have added. So you have to know their username, Roblox username, you have to know the game that they're playing, and you will be able to find them here from the server list. As you can see, the person is currently not online, but you can find their profile picture here, and it's automatically going to actually detect where and which server the person is in. So you can also refresh this and you can also research, but that's basically how you do it. It will show up here in the servers list, and if you see the person with that specific picture here, you can just click on join, and that's how you join them. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.